Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to reach the DFU mode, the direct firmware upgrade mode in your Apple iPhone Air. This is the iPhone Air, and if you have trouble, or if you like to root your phone, or you like to make deeper fixings stuff and something else, you can boot into the DFU mode. The DFU mode is a little bit tricky. We will need a data cable. This data cable can be USB-A or USB-C as you like, but it has to be a data cable. And we connect now the computer with our phone. Yeah. And then we perform the DFU mode by first step. It is switched on, as you can see. Volume up, volume down. Power button, keep it pushing until black screen. If black screen appears, we release that button, go back with volume down and the power button, but only for 5 seconds. Then we release the power button and keep pushing the volume down button until we reach the DFU mode. And this will shown in the software of our computer, Apple Devices app. Okay, let's perform this now. It is tricky. Maybe you have the right timing for that. But because it is not the restore mode or recovery mode, it is the DFU mode. These are two different things. Okay, let's go. Here we are. Volume up first, then volume down. Power button. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Prepare. Be prepared, okay? Be prepared because we have to do that right now. So now we are on black screen. Release, get it back. Then 3, 2, 1, and release the power button, and you are in black screen. Yeah, black screen. And this is the first thing that you have reached DFU mode, not restore mode, okay? DFU, restore, there are different things. And now you can see here on the screen of the computer. Let's go to the computer and have a look. So you can see now our computer has detected an iPhone in DFU mode. So you have to restore this phone before it can be used. And now we can use our routing software or troubleshooting software to make troubleshooting. Or of course we can go here, restore the iPhone. Are you sure you want to restore the iPhone to factory settings? All our media data will be lost. Yes, of course, we restore the data. Then we have to go next with the iOS and agree that. Now, the brand new updated iPhone software will be downloaded. And after this download is be completed, it will be automatically installed. It will be install the new software onto our device. This is, but not the DFU kernel thing, because the DFU mode is really difficult to reach. If you only like to have a troubleshooting because you've forgotten your passcode or you are going to have troubleshooting, you should perform the restore mode. The DFU mode is really the thing to use for routing or for deeper troubleshooting with additional software. If you are going to abort this, maybe this happens because of a blackout or something else, your screen is, or your phone does not work anymore. That's not good. No panic. Yeah, wait 20 minutes and it will be rebooted. Or you go to soft reset. Volume up, volume down, power button. Keep pushing until you see the Apple branding in the center, and then it will go back to life. Of course, nothing has changed. No data are lost now. But this is the abort function. The big thing behind the DFU mode is, of course, the troubleshooting thing or routing thing by using Apple devices or other software in the background on your computer, while the device is, of course, already connected each other. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sensor.